Hey guys, welcome to Economy 9015. Today I'm just going to show you a video about my 98 Nissan Pathfinder. It's a work truck that I just recently purchased. And even with this virus going on, I'm trying to keep busy and keep something to do. But recently, like I said, it's a 98 Nissan Pathfinder 4-wheel drive. I got it pretty cheap. It's got 140,000 miles on it right now. And I went and was looking up leveling kits because it had a little bit of a rake in the front end. You know how they set down nosedive in the front end. And I just wanted to level it up. So I got to looking, and I found a 2.5-inch spacer kit just for the front. And I'm going to show you real quick what it looks like, where I got it from. And hopefully this will help you out if you have a Pathfinder of this body style here, or a little newer, a little older. You know, see if this is kind of what you're looking for to do. So this is it here. And as you see, it's primered up a little bit. I had some bad spots back there I'm working on. But this is it here. It's leveled out. Right now it's running 265 70/15s on it. That was on it stock. It didn't rub or anything. I just took the little mud flaps that was on it right here off, just because I didn't really care for them. That is the spacer right there. Sets on top of the coil spring. It's a little bit more work than I originally thought it would be. You got to drill out these holes here a little bit bigger, and if I had to do it over again, I would probably tack these bolts down a little bit. Just for the simple fact that if you're doing this by yourself, tacking those bolts down, if you have a welder, would help you to where you didn't have to get up under here and hold those bolts. It's a little bit, especially that third one in the back, is a little difficult to get on. That's pretty much it. The grill and bumper were faded out, so I went and got some high temp engine paint. Works great, and painted the bumper and the grill, you know, black, gloss black. And show you the Supreme suspensions, where I got my the lift from online. It came in like 3 days. But pretty much everything stock on this. I do have a set of tires coming in. Leather interior looks pretty good. It's hard as a rock, but I've been trying to condition it and soften it up. I did get, let me look here, a little digital voltmeter here. I'm gonna hook that up hopefully this evening and see how that works out. But basically all I do with this is just drive it back and forth to work. I got a different job now, so I'll do a video on that later. Got my little hoopty sticker from Street B 717, because it is a hoopty. That is pretty much it, guys. The Grand Cherokee is still here and doing great. I hadn't had any problems. The RV is still here, doing great. I hadn't had any issues. Got to clean it again. Brother-in-law used it a few months ago. For about 2 months he got married and needed somewhere to stay. Old golf cart here's still working. Put some new cables and stuff on it. That's pretty much it, guys. I'll do another video. I'll try to get some more out. I hadn't really posted anything in 7 months. I got to get back on it. I'm gonna just shoot them with my cell phone because it's super convenient, and I know it won't be the best quality, but you know, hopefully it'll help you out with some of the things that I film. A couple other things that we did to this: we put all new radiator hoses on it. It does have a little bit of rust from up under it. I'm not sure if it came where exactly where it came from. I took those little racks off the top as well. I know a lot of people like them, but I don't really care for them. But like I said, I do have another set of tires coming for it. I thought it had the factory 255 70 15s on it, so that's what I ordered. So they'll be a little bit smaller but a little bit wider. And I did order the center caps for these wheels because 2 of them was missing. And replaced those as well. I did a little bit of buffing on it and a lot of cleaning on it. But I'll update you and let you know what all I do to it in the near future. And I'll shoot some other videos. I got some trailers that I fixed up for my dad. I painted them and did bearings and jacks and lights and all that good stuff. But I'll do a video on those as well. If you like what you see, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps support the channel. I don't make anything off of these videos here, but it would be nice if I could. Potentially one day would be nice. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you later.